Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys couldn't tell what the occasion is here, we're gonna be playing around with the new Colourpop Valentine's Day collection. This is the Secret Admirer collection, and when Colourpop does Valentine's Day, it is my favorite time of the year. I just absolutely love the collection. Last year was a hit. I think last year's broke the internet. It was so good, and this year is just as good. I am so excited for this. I just love Valentine's Day. It is top two holidays. I don't care what anybody says. Halloween and Valentine's Day, they just go hand in hand together. I don't know how to explain it, but Halloween and Valentine's Day, it's one and the same. I can't explain it, but yeah. But this is my favorite time of year. I love Valentine's Day so much. Not so much of the holiday or whatever. But I just love everything heart-shaped, pink, red, everything like that, clearly. So this is my time to shine. I also am a pink eyeshadow whore, and I love pink eyeshadow. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. This collection, when you guys are watching this, it actually launched today. I'm so sorry. I don't know what's been going on with my packages and stuff, but I haven't been getting them early or anything. So I've been able to get swatches and stuff up for you guys beforehand. But I hope that this video is still helpful for you. So that when you guys are watching this, the collection is already available. I will link everything down below for you guys. As always, you guys can use my code. It is just KATRINA, and it'll save you 10% off the Colourpop website. It does work on this collection. I've been seeing everyone tell me that it does work on everything. So yeah, if you guys want to save some money on this collection, then you guys can use my code. Yeah, so I will be doing swatches, a tutorial, and giving you guys my review at the end of the video. So let's just go ahead and jump right in. So the first thing that we have in this collection is the Secret Admirer eyeshadow palette. There are no pressed glitters or anything in here. This is what the packaging looks like, the outside, and then when you open it up, this is what the inside looks like. And I love the little heart-shaped pans. It's just adding to my love of everything heart-shaped. Love the shades in here so much. Mine's a little dirty just because one of my shadows broke, so I had to press it back together, so it's a little dirty. But yeah, I love the shades in here. I think they are so pretty, and I also really love the unicarton as well, which is something I don't usually talk about, the actual packaging, but this is what the box looks like that it comes in, and it's obviously the same as the palette, but in the back, how it opens like a little envelope, and I love that little touch, that little detail, and I think it's really cute. So I love the packaging on the palette as much as I love the actual palette itself. Since this collection's already launched, I have prices, so I'm excited to actually have prices for a video. So the palette is $14. I think most of you guys are here for are the blushes, and we have 6 blushes in the heart-shaped packaging that we have from last year. But there are new shades. The only one that is a returning shade is Kiss and Tell, and that one was the white packaging from last year. But yeah, this is the only returning one. Every other one is new. So we have Kiss and Tell, which is this one. Let's Dance, which is more of a peachy pink blush, and I love this one. This is actually the one that I have on right now. We have Flirt Alert, which is more of a mauve toned blush, and they all are in that soft matte packaging. Text Me, and this one's just a brighter pink, fuchsia almost kind of blush. Forever Yours, this one's more of a rosy pink shade. And then lastly, we have Baby Cake, and it is on the deeper side as well. This is so pretty. I love this maroon shade. Very pretty. I love the packaging on all of these, and all the blushes are $10. As I'm looking at the website right now, some of them are selling out as I am filming this, so I don't know which ones will be in stock by the time I get this video up. But yeah, so those are the blushes. Next thing in the collection, we have 6 new Fresh Kiss lip creams. I just love the Fresh Kiss line from Colourpop. All the lip products in there, I absolutely love them. I love all the formulas. So these are the 6 shades we have right here, and these are $8 each. So we have Smoochin', which is a brown nude shade. Then we have Makeout, which is still on the brownie nude, but has a slight hint of rosiness to it. Date Night, and this one's more on the darker rosy pink side. You Are Mine, this is actually the one that I have on right now. I would say it's a more mauve pink tone lip color. Then we have Heaven, and this one is more on the pink, almost leaning berry pink shade. And then lastly, we have Oh Baby, which is a maroon type of shade. So those are the Fresh Kiss lip creams. In the collection we have the Soul Body Shimmering Body Powder. This is in the shade Pretty Peachy, and this is what it looks like. I would say this is more of like a blush topper type of shade if you are like my skin tone or lighter. If you're a little bit more deeper, this might work as a highlighter for you, or you can use it all over your body. And this is just like their typical like Soul Body Shimmering Body Powder formula, and this retails for $14. So have it in the Shimmering Dry Oil formula as well, same shade, and this one retails for $10. So we have the Good Together Moisturizer and Lip Mask Duo from Fourth Ray Beauty. This is such a cute little gift. It has the Good Mood Moisturizer and then the Strawberry Overnight Lip Mask in here, and I think that's just really cute together. So this is what the packaging looks like, and then you just open it and then both of those are in there, and that retails for $18. In the collection, this is so cute. This is the Mystery Date Hair Brush, a cute little heart-shaped brush, and again, my love for everything heart-shaped. This is just, my heart is like beaming. This is so cute, and this retails for $10. Last but not least, we have some hair clips in here. These look like little gumdrop candies. I love them. They're so cute. I had them on earlier when I was doing my makeup, and they're adorable. I also don't think they left any like dents on my hair either, which is nice. That doesn't usually happen with hair clips and stuff, but these are really cute. They have some like gold hardware on them, and yeah, these retail for $10. So that is everything in the collection. Like I said, I'll link the collection down below for you guys. I hope that this video is helpful for you. Hopefully those swatches were helpful if you were thinking about picking anything up. This is the look that I came up with today using the products from the collection. So if you guys want to see how I got this look right here and to hear my final thoughts on everything, then just keep watching. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and just jump into the collection. I already put the little hair clips from the collection on because they're just literally so cute. They look like little candies and I'm obsessed. And start off with the palette. I already have my eyes primed. Start off with the shade All Night, which is this one. And it's kind of like a little bit of a mauve-y pink. So I'm going to just kind of take a little bit at a time and just kind of blend that out. This is a little bit darker than I usually would go in for like a transition shade or something. I'm just starting off on the outer corner, and then whatever's left, I'll just put that into the crease so it's not too harsh. I'm going to go in with the shade Hey Girl, which is this one. Also, my palette's a little dirty. One of the shadows was broken, so I had to like press it back in there. But we're going to take that shade. This one's like more of a, like a deeper rosy toned pink. And again, I'm going to focus this on the outer corner. I also might take the shade a little bit on this inner part too. I'm kind of feeling like a halo eye type of moment today. In that shade more on this inner corner. I'm going to go back with that All Night shade that we used before just to kind of blend the two together in the center. Just kind of re-intensifying that more on the inner and outer corner. I do wish there was some like super shocks in this collection. I think that'd be really fun. Go in with the shade My Everything. It's the darkest shade in the palette. I love the little heart-shaped pans in here. And I'm going to focus this right on this outer corner right here just to kind of deepen that up. I'm not going to take it too far in. At least for right now, I'm not going to. If I want to, I will later. But I'm just going to take a little bit right here. Brush is my favorite brush for like halo eyes and getting like really precise application. It's a Time Los Angeles 206 brush. I haven't done like a halo eye in a minute. So I like how that is looking. So for the center of my lid, I'm going to go in with Too Cute. It is the hot pink shade in here. I'm just going to take that on my finger. Might go in and wet this shade a little bit just to really intensify that shade. Take a little bit more of My Everything and just kind of blend that into that shade so everything is nice and seamless. Take a little tiny brush. This is a Colourpop E29, and I'm just gonna pop this right in the center to just intensify that brighter pink shade a little bit more. That way it'll like really pop. Again, I am gonna go back with My Everything just to re-intensify that and blend that into the shade. So I'm gonna do this eye really quick. do my like foundation, concealer and stuff, and then we'll come back and use the rest of the products. And just did my foundation and stuff, so we're gonna try the blushes. And one of the blushes in here is from the last year's Valentine's Day collection, which is Kiss and Tell. It is the one in the white packaging, and I love this blush. I use it still till this day. It is such a nice like neutral nude blush. So I wasn't gonna use this one, but I think I used this one in my last year's video if I'm not mistaken, but if not, I mean, I've already tried this one, so I want to try a new one. But if you've never tried this one, it's really good. I'm gonna try Let's Dance. I love the heart-shaped blushes. Anything heart-shaped, clearly, I will buy. Like, I want everything heart-shaped in my life. I have heart-shaped plates, heart-shaped bowls, heart-shaped measuring cups, heart-shaped everything. I want all of it. So yeah, this looks like a really pretty color. I do wish that they came out with like shimmery blushes in this packaging, just because I prefer like a more shimmery blush than like a matte blush, but it's not the end of the world. And I love to put these out on display. They're so pretty. So this one is Let's Dance, and it looks like a nice like peachy pink blush. Oh yeah, this is like right up my alley. This is so pretty. I love this color. The other ones in here are like very pink, like very, very pink, which I like for like a certain look, but for like a look like this, I already have a lot on the eyes. Kind of went a little ham with the blush, but that's okay. But yeah, so this blush I love. The Soul Body Shimmering Body Powder in here that I typically would use for highlighter, but I think this one is a little dark for me for highlight. But it does look like a really pretty blush topper. So since I was complaining that the blushes in here are matte, I might add a little bit of this to the blush on top. I'm literally just like tapping my brush in there just a little bit and taking some off on the back of my hand. So I don't want it to look too shimmery because this is a highlighter after all, but oh, I think that actually looks really pretty. I love these shimmering body powders. Also, they smell amazing, but they do add just like a little bit of a sheen, and I think it looks really pretty. A shimmery dry oil in the same shade. I think this will look so pretty on the body. I'm not going to put it on today because one, it's literally freezing in my house and I want my jacket on, and I don't want it to get all over my jacket, but that would be really pretty all over the body. Go ahead and just finish up the eyes. I'm going to re-intensify this eye just a little bit with that My Everything shade, just so has some more depth. And then for the lower lash line, I am going to go in with, you know, I'm actually going to go into Everlasting, which is this shade right here. I didn't use this one on the top, but I want to use this shade. So I'm just going to add a little bit of that to the lower lash line. A nice like mid-tone pink. I really like it. I'm going to go back with My Everything, and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line in the same spots where I put it on top. I'm going to just replicate that to the bottom down here. So I'm just recreating the halo eye on the bottom. Too intense with it though, because I don't like how that looks sometimes. So I'm just taking like a little bit at a time so I don't go overboard. Back with Too Cute, which was that shimmery pink, and just put that on the center in the lower lash line as well. Extra today. And I also just loved the Valentine's Day collection, so I love going all out with them. But yeah, so that's how that is looking. I really like it. It obviously doesn't look that great right now because I don't have lashes or anything on, but I love this look. Inner corner, I'm going to go in with In the Moon, which is the like shimmery champagne-y pink shade. This is the one that was broken in my palette, but I'm just putting that on my inner corner. Go ahead and just put on some mascara, lashes, and then we'll come back and use the lip products, which I'm very excited for. I love the lip products in here, so BRB. So my lashes are on, and I like how this look is turning out. We do have some new Fresh Kiss lip creams in this collection, which I love the Fresh Kiss lip products. Like, I can't stress enough. I think I've said it in like almost every Colourpop video so far that I've done like this year, but they are so good. So I think I'm going to use this one. This one's called You Are Mine. Oh, this is cute. I don't want to do something too bold. Dust off this powder really quick. When I have more of like a bold eye, I like to go in with my Alamod Cosmetics bronzer trio with the highlighting shade. I just like to really brighten up this under eye area. But this is the finished look. I love this look so much. I love how it turned out. I just love Valentine's Day collections. They are just so me, and they're like right up my alley. I'm so happy, and I absolutely love everything in this collection. I love the eyeshadow palette. I think it ended up being a lot more bold than I thought it was gonna be. It's like, it looks very like muted pinks and like more toned down, not as bright, but I feel like you can do both. You can do something a little bit more subtle and like more romantic and soft with it, but you can also do something bold like this, and I love it. Blushes, 10 out of 10. Lip products, 10 out of 10. Palette, 10 out of 10. These little clips, 10 out of 10. I mean, I didn't use this in the video, but are you kidding me? Like, this is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life, this little hairbrush. Yes, 10 out of 10. Again, especially if you have like the heart mirror from last year, like those two things together, how cute. The little, I didn't use it in the video, but the little lip mask duos and the moisturizer, I think this is so cute. This is such a cute little gift too, also if you want to get it like as a Valentine's Day gift or something, but that is really nice. The only things I really like were kind of like about were the Soul Body products. Like, I like them, I'll use them, but like I don't think I would go out of my way to purchase them, although I do think this the body powder one, this is actually a really pretty blush topper, but I don't like, it's not like a necessity, you know, but it is really pretty. And then I have a lot of the Soul Body like shimmering dry oils that kind of look like this, so these are like the only two things that I'm kind of like about, but like literally everything else, perfection. Colourpop just really does their Valentine's Day collection so good. I love it, and it's seriously like, besides Halloween, Valentine's Day is my favorite holiday. Like, I just love everything heart shaped, heart, everything pink and red. Like, it is just, it's my everything. So I absolutely love this collection. I think everything is worth it in here. I definitely would say if you're gonna pick up anything, obviously the blushes. I think that's what most people were excited about for this collection, were the blushes, and I love that they did more of them this year, and I think they are all so cute. They are so cute to display, so I want to display them again like I did last year. But overall, I love the collection. You'll be happy with anything that you pick up from this collection. So I hope that this video was helpful for you. I'm sorry I got it up a little late. I did with what I could when I got the collection. So anyways, yeah, I hope that this video was helpful for you. If you did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.